Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 4. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 3. 1 here, so 6, 1. For this box, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 9. No help here. 1, 7, 9. 9 here, so 1, 7. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this row, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got a 4 covering these two boxes, so our 4 must be here. 5 here makes this our 8, 5. For this box now, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 2. I don't see any other help. So 7, 9, 7, 9. For this box, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got 3 and 6 here, so this is our 5. 3 here, so 6, 3. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this column, we're missing 7 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 7, 9. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got 3 and 5 here, so this is our 8. I don't see any other help. So 3, 5, 3, 5. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. We've got 3 and 8 here, so this is our 4. 3 here, so 8, 3. That 3 makes this our 5, 3. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 9, 2. For this column now, that 9 makes this our 7, 9. So now for this column, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 7. And I don't see any help. So 6, 7, 6, 7. For this bottom row, we're missing a 9. For this row, we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We've got a 2 covering these two boxes, so our 2 must be here. 7 here makes this our 5, 7. For this column now, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got 3 and 8 here, so this is our 9. 3 here, so 8, 3. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. With that one, we can get rid of this one. That means the only place the 1 can be in this box is here. For this box, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this box, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got 5 and 7 here, so this is our 9. That makes this our 7, 5. That 7 makes this our 9, 7, 6, and 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.